So I wrote a few of the prayers there. And he uses exactly in Sanskrit, he says, Shri Brindatavi, Brindatavi Mata. Brindatavi means the forest of Vrindavan. Brindata. We say Brindaranya. Sometimes Vrindavan is called Brindaranya. Aranya means forest. And Brinda means many. The word Brinda means, we say, Gaura Bhakta Brinda Ki Jai. So it's a praying Dwani at the end of Kirtan. Nita Gaura Bhakta Brinda, Sab Gaura Bhakta Brinda. All the Brinda, Gaura Bhakta Brinda, all the many, many varieties of the whole collection and group of devotees of Gaura Bhakta Brinda. So Brinda Tavi, or Brindaranya, it's like this, means a group of forests. So he says, Shri Brinda Tavi Mata Ekam Mam Jivatur. He says, you're my only life, is what it means. But in one prayer he says, again and again I have committed inexcusable offenses to you. He's already living here. Still, O Mother Vrindavan, Mata Eva Brindatavi, I am like your son, so please do not abandon me.